40 years is only a short moment in the long history. But we have witnessed the course of an enterprise from birth to glory. 450,000 kilometers. That's just a tiny fraction of space. But we have witnessed the amazing height of stainless steel pipe connection. Wujin Stainless, a remarkable legend that never rusts. From startup 40 years ago to listing on the main board of the Shanghai Stock Exchange today, Wujin Stainless never stops. We have faced all kinds of difficulties and challenges. However, we believe that wonderful will appear eventually after endeavor. Today, we're fulfilling the mission that we've been adhering to since our establishment. To be a leading national industrial brand, to become one of the world's first-class stainless steel pipe manufacturers. We understand that the reliability and quality performance of stainless steel pipes directly affects the safety, durability, and operational efficiency through various industries and projects, the importance of which cannot be ignored. Our products take the leading position in domestic and foreign markets, including industrial seamless and welded stainless steel pipes with a variety of size and complete specification. Our large diameter and heavy wall thickness stainless steel pipes, for example, is reaching the international technology level. Wujin Stainless is one of the few enterprises in China that can produce this product. Moreover, nuclear power pipe is the product we break through extraordinary challenges and make it reach to the world's high-end stainless steel pipe level. Over the past 40 years, facing each of national key projects, harsh working conditions, and technical difficulties, we delivered satisfied solutions to customer time after time. Our products are widely used in power stations, boilers, nuclear power, petroleum, petrochemical, chemical, LNG, shipbuilding, marine engineering, pressure vessels, machinery manufacturing, and other key areas. Wujin Stainless has earned the market reputation and long-term trust of customers by excellent quality and performance after decades' experience. We continuously improve the manufacture process to meet the diverse requirements of customers. We have the most complete product testing system in the industry, and all the key processes are controlled by professionals to ensure that the product quality meets the strict factory requirements. Research and development is the top priority of the company's operation. Through increasingly R&D investment and active technological innovation, we own series of independent intellectual property technology and achievement, and constantly provide the most advanced solutions to customers. Customer satisfaction is our consistent commitment. With the help of professional technical team and strong service network, we provide to customers the most timely, professional, and point-to-point after-sales service. We firmly believe that in a globalized world, our customers will pay more attention to environmental protection, make more reasonable use of resources and save energy, and require suppliers to do the same. For this reason, we're taking such challenges in stride. As a listed company, we are concerned sustainable development of the living environment while being responsible to shareholders. By using clean energy and the strict control of sewage and waste gas. To the acid mist purification system investment and HSE system implementation, we are dedicated to a green path. Cooperation creates a better future. We are committed to building long-term and reliable relationships with customers, employees, suppliers, communities, and shareholders to grow together and make continuous progress. With the anticipation for the future, Wujin Stainless will embrace opportunities and challenges, transcend ourselves, and forge ahead towards the goal of building an industry benchmark. Wonderful performance, great future.